today we talk about how can you enable dark mode on your app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on appearance, you just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on dark. You click here on OK here. So then automatically it's gone here to change with you to dark mode on your app. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,